Good morning. It is the last day of December, so the 31st. Some exciting news. So my last video, my last vlog I should say, because there's going to be a video out tomorrow, which is Friday, to start the year off. My last video was a vlog, kind of a vlog, basically where I was just saying like that I need a new studio. That is still holding true, but I've escalated everything. So after finishing that vlog, I went about and I had already like half planned a Kickstarter. So I finished off the Kickstarter, I submitted it for review and everything, and then I've got it back from review. In the meantime, I had emailed a couple of companies where I wanted to have my office, just to inquire about like what space they have, what kind of pricing and that kind of stuff. So just kind of setting it all in motion, you know. I have then since had a reply from those companies, and I've actually got a meeting booked today. So it's currently 11 o'clock and I have a appointment at 12 o'clock to go and talk to the building manager and view some offices. Very exciting. So I was calculating like costs and everything, like they had a rough kind of guide price on their website. Sorry, I've got a piece of hair in my plant and it's like pulling, it's hurting. And they had rough prices on their website about how much stuff would cost. So I kind of roughed it out, but I want to get an exact price, like based on the room or area that I want. And I've kind of costed out like business rates, because I'll have to pay business rates if I get an actual office. And I don't know whether or not it includes like electricity. It includes Wi-Fi and all of that kind of stuff, but I'm not sure about electricity and that kind of thing. So I've just kind of thought in my head about and roughed out some costs. After I've gone from a meeting today, I'll know some actual definite figures as to whether or not I can go ahead with this and do this. But anyway, back to the Kickstarter. So I went about and kind of planned a Kickstarter, submitted it, and then I've got a response saying basically that with Kickstarter you're not allowed to fund projects that are for tools or for premises or anything like that. So I can't do a Kickstarter, and it's kind of bummed me out, because a lot of you were wanting to help me out and back, which is fantastic, thank you. But yeah, I can't do a Kickstarter. So I was kind of wondering what I could do, and then I thought, if I'm just doing a Kickstarter, because I was doing like rewards for like limited edition prints, limited edition greetings cards and that kind of thing. I was just going to kind of put out a set of products, so cards, prints, and then sell originals as like a potluck original draw and do them at a reduced rate. And yeah, I was gonna do those as rewards for Kickstarter, but then I've thought to myself, why don't I just list these things on my website and then just sell them as physical products for a limited time during January or February, and then those people that purchase them, they're just going to be limited edition, they'll be one-offs, and specifically all of the profits and everything will go towards funding the project. So I think I'm going to go with that option. So I have just sent out a newsletter to all of the people who are subscribed to the shop newsletter, launching my new coasters. So these guys, it's been a while because there's been so many videos out that you've seen these probably. So I've just launched the coasters and the 3 new greetings cards designs, and I've put in that email that all the profits will go towards funding the move, and I've mentioned the move in that newsletter as well. So basically this is like a little bit of a shameless plug here, but if you want to help facilitate the move, then I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go and purchase these. You can purchase through Etsy as well. They're going to be listed on my Etsy shop by the time this goes out, but I'm going to leave a link to specifically my shop where you can purchase coasters, new greetings cards, prints, all of that kind of stuff. I'm also going to bring in some new prints as well. So I haven't previously made prints of a few of my drawings, which I thought would be perfect as limited edition prints to help, oh my god that was loud, sorry, to help do this. So I think one of them is going to be my barn owl, and I'm not sure about what the others will be. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I've no idea when this video is going to go up, because I was thinking it's just going to stick to my regular vlog pattern now, which will make it next Wednesday, and that's a long time to have to wait to put this up, because I just want to let you guys know now. So I might actually edit this up and put it up Saturday. So if you're seeing this Saturday, then you know that I did that. If not, then I didn't. Anyway, that was what I wanted to talk to you about. Basically, I'm just going ahead and doing it anyway. I'm getting an office anyway, and that will enable me to bring you guys mugs, because I'm going to purchase a mug heat press and a sublimation printer, so I can make my own mugs, my own coasters, so I can print them on demand, and I don't have to shell out like a load, like over £100 just for a few coasters. I'm not going to have to do that straight away, and if they don't sell then I'm just stuck with them, so I can do them all myself. And yeah, I'm just going to do it myself, I think, because I think in order to grow this year, I think I need extra space. So I'm doing it anyway. If you would like to help out and help make the process smoother and faster and enable me to buy a heat press and everything sooner, then please buy something from my shop. I'm going to put up the original potluck drawer. They're going to be a lot cheaper than what you could buy them for normally. I have 15 originals which I'm willing to sell. Some of them are things like the tiger, I've got the galah and stuff like that. So if you want to own an original at a reduced rate, I'm going to make a listing for that as well, so that will be in the description as well. So yeah, if you would like to help me out, please purchase something from my shop, because I really want to move office, and yeah, just bring you guys some better content, because if I'm moving office, I'm going to have more room for more tripods to put cameras on. Like this camera I can use as a secondary camera to film a different angle, which is going to give you a better view, and we can zoom right in, and it doesn't have to, like, I can get an actual tripod that I can put my larger lens on, so I can zoom right in at certain points. Yeah, so it's just going to help production value of videos, as well as facilitate better shop products, more shop products I should say, not better, because they're going to stay the same quality. But yeah, just going to help to keep everything in-house. We don't have to farm off all of the responsibilities of like printing different things. So I can also do things like tea towels, because I could sublimate my own tea towels. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to my appointment today. So I'm going to show you some I've got a couple of orders to pack, I think. Yeah, I've got a couple of orders to pack, so I'm going to show you that. And I've got some, I've just edited together the Wolfeye tutorial video for the end of December. I have to film a shiny fur tutorial, and I do have to do some voiceover stuff, but I think I'm going to do that this evening, or at least when it's a little bit quieter with my child. Like, hopefully he might have a nap and I can get some stuff done, but I'm not sure if he will. But if not, it'll just have to be this evening. I'm just going to have to work a couple of evenings this week, I think, to just make sure that we get the new year off to a good start. I know it's like New Year's Eve this evening, but I haven't worked since Christmas Eve, and I'm such a workaholic, it's terrible. Is anybody else the same? Like, not even just drawing, but just admin and planning stuff. I'm so excited to start getting things done properly and actually hitting schedules and stuff for 2021. So I also have to make a schedule for January for Patreon and Club Puffin and stuff today, so I need to do that today. But yeah, I'm very excited, if you can't tell. I'm really looking forward to this new move and just escalating things. I'm really having trouble thinking about what I'm saying as well today. I think it's because I'm like excited, nervous, and I'm just like jittery. I have a new mug as well with some coffee. It's actually a travel mug. It's what Simon got me for Christmas. It's a Pusheen travel mug. Pusheen! Yeah, also I fell off the Vlogmas bandwagon after I posted that studio thing, so I was just like, if I'm going to be moving studio or office, then I don't want to do a studio tour because it's going to be irrelevant like in a month anyway, so I'm just going to wait to do that one. And then New Year plans, I was like, I could just include that in a vlog like for January. So that's what I planned to do, so I just decided, no, that's it, we're just not going to bother for the rest of Vlogmas. I did up until Christmas, which was what I intended to do anyway, so I'm pleased with myself. I don't care about those last 4 days. So yeah, let's just got another order through. Let's get on with some stuff. Whatever will be in this vlog will be in this vlog.
You always said we were the good ones. Like an 18-minute thriller movie. I always knew you always meant it, but now we're standing on the bedside too. Oh, I never meant to hurt you, but I hurt you, so sorry for that. Now you need space, I get it, like you said, it's alright. So I'm counting all the days till you come around to show me what you found. Since breaking from this misery, I wish that you could see me now that you're gone. Cause you need to be alone, away from our chemistry. I just hope you'll end up knowing that I'm meant to last. I'm counting all the days till you come around. Or will you come around? Come around. Oh, believe me, we're the good ones. You know I always got your back. So please don't tell me that I broke us, cause I could never live with that. But I hurt you, so sorry for that. Now you need space, I get it, like you said, it's alright. So I'm counting all the days till you come around to show me what you found. Since breaking from this misery, I wish that you could see me now that you're gone. Cause you need to be alone, away from our chemistry. I just hope you'll end up.
Good morning. I apologise for the state of my face. I've had a lot of sugar and it's just caused a world of pain on my face. The moral of the story is to not eat as much sugar and just to stick to fruits and vegetables. I made brownies. Yeah, bad idea. Anyway, it's Saturday. I think I'm going to edit this together and put this vlog up today, so yay! Just going to be a quick little video. Hello Suki. So I went and viewed office spaces on Thursday and that went extremely well. I viewed the size that I wanted and now I've got an idea of like what that size is going to be. The only downside is the place that I went and viewed was hella expensive and I don't know if it's going to work with that particular space. So I found another space and I have asked for a viewing of that space, so hopefully they get back to me Monday when like everybody's back to work properly. Sorry for this angle, by the way, I can't be bothered to sort out my tripod legs for the camera. So hopefully they get back to me next week and then I can go and view that, because I still want to move forward and do the office thing. So I've costed everything out and I can afford what this other office is going to be, but I can't afford what the one I wanted to view on Thursdays. I mean, I could afford it if I really stretched myself, but as I said, I don't really want to stretch myself. So with that, I am going to list originals and stuff on my website, so as I said, everything will be in the description below if you want to check that out. There's also a load of other stuff on my web shop and Etsy as well. The originals aren't on Etsy, but the other stuff is. So yeah, hopefully that will help. I'm going to put all of that, whatever sells from that, into a separate account so I can use it as a deposit for an office and for like to go towards the first couple months rent and that kind of stuff. In terms of what else I've done, I have sorted and packed all of the Patreon awards for December. I was meant to do that at the end of December, but I did it last night. I'm going to the sorting office today to drop those off. Thank you to those of you that have signed up via Patreon as well. Due to my yesterday's fur tutorial, there's been quite an increase in patrons, especially on, I think the Kingfisher, no, I think the Puffin tier is now actually full. I have to make sure that I check that out. But yeah, hopefully you guys are going to like the January content that I have for Patreon. I've created a schedule for this month as well, so I've got 2 full tutorials and then a small ice study, which is going to be the draw along session for the $14 tier, but I'm pretty sure that that's full on Patreon now. Let me just check. Oh no, there are 2 spaces left on the Club Puffin tier. I really limited the spaces there because it takes a lot to have to go through everybody's email address and like compare each month from month to month and who I need to take off from the website and the group, because obviously I have to do it all manually. So I limited that amount. There's still some spaces left on the Hummingbird thing. You won't obviously get the December awards that I've just packaged up, but you probably would have seen me signing some leopard prints and other prints and stuff. So the rewards for January, which you can still sign up for, are the rewards for January, words today, are a leopard A5 print, a blue butterfly card and leopard card, and I might throw in some other surprises as well into there. But yeah, and then the February rewards, you get 2 A5 prints. Exciting. But yeah, I'm going to sign off for today. I will see you guys on Wednesday for our usual studio vlog. Hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you later. Suki needs attention.
You always said we were the good ones.